Hi, welcome to this introduction and quick start guide for the TSI VelociCalc 9600 ventilation meter. In this video, we'll cover the VelociCalc's functionality, safe operations, workflows, and data logging with some basic troubleshooting. When hiring the TSI VelociCalc kit from AirMet Scientific, the kit will include the VelociCalc unit, a USB cable for data transfer, the calibration certificate, 4 spare AA batteries, a power supply, and your selected probe attachment. We're using the hot wire probe in this case. To use the VelociCalc, firstly power on the meter by pressing the power button. Connect the selected probe to the device. The unit will now display the common parameters for the attached probe. To change the on-screen values, press the menu icon, navigate to Settings, and then Display Order. From here, you can hide or show values. The soft keys can also be used to access functions such as flow setup, workflows, and logging profile. To set up your logging parameters, navigate to the Logging Profile menu icon. From here, you can select from Manual or Continuous mode and set up your parameters accordingly. After your logging is set up, take readings by pressing the Enter key. The data displays in real time on the dashboard. The log will be saved as a test ID for later review and reporting. Use the built-in magnets to attach the unit to ductwork or fume hoods for stable hands-free operation. The VelociCalc supports both manual logging and continuous logging at set intervals. Logs can be saved under test IDs that can be customized on the meter or via the provided CSV template. To export data, connect the VelociCalc meter to your PC via a USB cable. The device will appear as a drive where CSV files can be accessed. Like any other instrument, you may occasionally encounter operational issues. In this section, we'll cover some common situations and how to quickly address them. No display. If the display does not work, check the power source or the battery. The unit comes with spare included batteries. Fluctuating velocity readings. To resolve fluctuating velocity readings, reposition the probe or increase the averaging time constant. Unstable measurements. For unstable measurements, check the probe connection, filters, or ensure stable airflow conditions. We hope you find this overview video of the TSI 9600 informative. For questions or additional support, contact your local AirMet Scientific office on 1-800-000-744.